Shenzhen Wenjie Technology Company Limited is one of the leading professional manufacturers and exporters specializing in the business of computer peripheral. Our factory established in 2013 and has passed ISO 9001 2015 International Quality Management System. We have CE, FCC, RoHS certification. Factory area more than 4,100 square meters, 125 workers. Our main products are USB-C docking station, hub, USB splitter, mini DP, DP, HDMI, Type-C, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, audio-video cable, adapter, power charger, video switch. We have divided our well-developed infrastructural base into various units such as purchasing, R&D, manufacturing, quality testing, marketing, warehousing, packaging. This facilitates us to deliver best product to our clients and equipped with the latest machinery and innovative technology in order to meet the large-scale orders of customers. We have a strong and advanced R&D team consisting of professional engineers with full experience. We have electronic engineers to design PCB to ensure flawless performance of all our components. We have been serving OEM and ODM clients in the overseas market for many years. With strong development and manufacturing capability and one-stop services, we consistently win repeat orders serving worldwide buyers in South America, North America, Europe, and many other countries. Our QC team carries strict quality control throughout all stages of the production process to ensure products comply with international quality standards and are satisfied in a variety of different markets throughout the world. We are committed to producing high-quality products to satisfy consumers so they can rest assured.